Welcome to Global Market Insights, your market research partner. According to a report by GMI, the global AI and manufacturing market was valued at $4.2 billion United States dollars in 2024 and is estimated to register CAGR of 31.2% between 2025 and 2034. The market will cross $60.7 billion United States dollars valuation by 2034, as per a report by Global Market Insights. The growing need for automation, rapid developments in machine learning technologies, and adoption of AI-powered predictive maintenance solutions are some of the major industry growth drivers. Based on component, the hardware segment held a market share of over 55% in 2024. Based on deployment model, the cloud segment held a market share of around 43% in 2024, regionally. The U.S. dominated the North America market with a major share of around 75% in 2024. Key players in the AI and manufacturing market include the following. Thank you for watching. Access the report by clicking on the link provided in the description. Don't miss out on valuable insights.